In this quick video, I'm just going to talk about how to place a trade on Tradovate. I'm actually on the mobile app, and somebody asked, how do you actually place a trades on Tradovate? So this is the mobile app. It's as easy of you have come to the instrument that you are going to be trading. For example, here I'm looking at a British pound, and you have made a decision that you want to buy at market price. So it's just a matter of tapping on buy market, bottom left corner, that green buy market, you have bought. If you want to sell, it's now just a matter of tapping on the sell side as well, and you have sold. So now you have a buy and a sell position that is open. So yeah, that's how you actually place a trade on Tradovate.